What's going on, everybody? Doing a vehicle showcase for a good client, Sam here. Shout out to Sam. 2025 Ford Bronco Bill Stroppe Edition. This is a custom exterior paint job. This Bill Stroppe Edition is amazing. There are so many super cool hidden Easter eggs in this vehicle. I have a few of them to show you today. Let's get started. So on this vehicle, we did two of our main services. The first being our wax oil undercoating. It's our 7 to 10 year life expectancy undercoating with no touch-ups, no maintenance, and a 3-year in-shop warranty. Then we also did our world famous paint protection film, PPF. We did a full front end as well as all 4 of the fender flares. And this vehicle is very special because it's a Stroppe edition. But there's a few things that I wanted to point out with those Easter eggs. So let's dive into that before we dive into all of the work that we did. First, obviously, is gonna be that custom Stroppe edition sticker with the cactus. This is something that's super important. We actually left the original Stroppe edition sticker on even when we did our PPF. We PPF'd over it to protect it. We didn't remove it. Coming onto the interior, there's a few custom things. One of them is obviously gonna be the orange little accent pieces, but there's a few cool things. Towards the back, we have a Sasquatch sticker. This comes on the Stroppe edition. So this Sasquatch sticker actually comes on this particular edition. It's not added on by the client or by the dealership or anything. This is actually part of the Bill Stroppe edition. On the hood, it is matte black vinyled from the factory, as well as the rear tailgate, except the front hood is vinyl wrapped matte black. This tailgate is actually painted matte black, which is awesome. Another one of the hidden features, underneath here, where there's the tow hooks to latch onto stuff, you can see there's a little lasso. That is sick. I think that is such a cool feature that most people don't even realize when it comes to these additions, that there's just very small, minute, hidden Easter eggs. That's awesome. I know that there's a few more on here, and there's a few other small custom things, you know, the Bronco lettering, the badging on the back being all blacked out. That's all Stroppe editions versus the silver that it normally comes Bronco in. But yeah, there's just a few things on this exterior that's awesome. So let's dive into the work that we did on here at Attention to Detail. We're a South Chicagoland based detailing company. We are a paint enhancement and protection shop. We're known for the absolute highest quality in the region here. So this is like, you're not, if you're wanting a McDonald's cheeseburger, you don't come here. You want a steak, you want that Wagyu, you come here to Attention to Detail. We are the steakhouse of the enhancement and protection world for cars. So on this vehicle, we did our undercoating. Our undercoating is a wax oil product. It's a product that comes from Switzerland. Swiss-made product. They've been around for over 50 years. And what it does is it takes the wax from wool wax and the oil from fluid film, and it creates wax oil. So what the wax does is it holds all that oil up for your longevity. And what the oil does is it actually is constantly penetrating all of your steel frame to protect from any oxygen hitting, any rust, from actually building up on the frame itself and inside of the cavities. So wax oil is fantastic. We've tried a million different undercoating products, and wax oil has been by far the best. We order it in pallet loads. So when it comes to our undercoatings, I can go through the whole process. But basically, once we degrease everything, we do take our frame jetter and we jet inside of all the frame rails on every single undercarriage. Every hole on your undercarriage gets frame jetted. Then, once we start our application and our spray process after any rust removal and our oil removal with our isopropyl alcohol, we then go in and we start our spraying. We have 3 spray processes that you get here at A2D. The first one's gonna be your cavity spray. It's a 2-foot long wand, a 360-degree sprayer. And what we do is we go inside of every hole on your undercarriage. From top to bottom, back to front, we cover inside of every single cavity on the frame. Then, to double check all of our work, we do a borescope. It's a little camera, a microscopic camera, and we stick it through every single hole and make sure that during our quality check processes that camera goes in and we've shot 360 degrees of the entire frame. After that, we do our exterior of the frame. That's in our just main 180-degree sprayer. And that's on the exterior of the frame, everything that you can see with your eyes. Then we do our cavity protection. It's the same exact undercoating product, except instead of it being a black in color, it's actually clear. It's called 120-4, and we stick that inside of your hood, all the holes of your hood, your doors, your tailgate, your fender liners, inside. You lift open the hood, we go inside the fender wells. On trucks, we do the bed sides, the cab corners, all the rocker panels, everything top to bottom inside. So that protects from, the tip of the hood rusting, the bottoms of the doors, bottom of the tailgate. So we are literally protecting every single square inch of the vehicle with undercoating. Now, after all of the undercoating was done, we washed the entire vehicle, we prepped it for PPF. We did a full foam wash, removed all the main dirt and grime. We cleaned everything, the rims, the tires, the wheel barrels, the wheel wells, the brake calipers, all the brake dust. We took a detail brush, we detail brushed every crack and crevice around all the bezels, around all the window trims, everything. Then we took all 4 of the flares off and we did our PPF on our front. We did a matte PPF on the hood to protect the satin vinyl. Then we did the 2 fenders and the front bumper piece here, as well as your windshield surround, this A-pillar here, and the partial roof pieces. We also did all 4 of the fender flares. We wrapped completely around every single one of the fender flares. So these fender flares are they're protected. And these are quick connects, so these actually just snap right off. And all of our film on our fenders goes all the way down to the absolute bottom here of the fender. So that way you have full coverage, and anytime these are moving back and forth, the Bronco hits a pothole or hits a hole on the road, and these move back and forth, it's not gonna destroy that custom orange paint job underneath because we have PPF on all those. Now our PPF is done in our clean room. Our clean room is mopped and swept twice a day. No dust, no debris, no dirt in there. It's completely exhausted in there. It's air controlled, temperature controlled. It's 72 degrees all year round, whether it's the winter and 0 degrees out or the summer and 95 out. It's always the same temperature, always the same humidity. It is a clean room. We do not lay any of our PPF, any of our paint protection film clear bra in the same shop that we do all of our prepping, undercoatings, and wet sanding. That is very, very important because we're the only shop that I know of in Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan that even remotely comes close to our clean room. Now our clean room is 1,500 square feet. We do 3 cars at a time. That's it. We're focused on the drift model, DRFT. It stands for done right the first time. So all this film is done. It has a 10-year warranty, self-healing. We wrap and tuck every single edge. It's literally the cleanest paint protection film clear bra install you can get ever. We take our time, we do it right, absolute first time, and the quality of work is our most important customer-focused core value. It is by far, bar none, the best film that you can get on the market. So we did everything that I mentioned in film, the whole front end, windshield surround, and all 4 fender flares. And this vehicle is now heading off to get ceramic coated by a good friend of mine, Carter Crandall. Shout out to Crandall's Detailing out in Crete, Illinois. They're gonna handle the ceramic coating on this vehicle, and we took care of the film work and the undercoat. If you guys have any questions or you wanna get a consultation to schedule, we start off by doing consultations. The reason is because giving a quote online is just very difficult. Like if I asked you, hey, how much does it cost to replace all the windows in my house? Well, how many windows do you have? What size are they? What are the borders? How much pieces do you need to put around the window to make sure that it's straight and level it? Like, there are so many questions and you need to get your eyes on it. But unfortunately, we can't go out to all of your homes and look at the vehicle in the driveway. So we have you come bring it here. That way we can look around the vehicle, we can see everything, assess the situation, and pick the absolute best package for you, your budget, and your car. Then we take you on a tour of the shop. After we meet you and shake your hand and go over your vehicle, we walk you through the shop. We're very, very transparent. You actually can see both of our shops inside, see the cars that we're working on, see the work that we provide, and then we go and schedule you from there, of course. So if you want to book a consultation, give us a call. Be honored to earn your business. If you want anything done, call me, 219-533-8783, or you can visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info, or you can email us, service, SERVICE, at attn2detail.info. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you here soon for a consultation. And if you have a vehicle that we can work on, be honored. Aaron with Attention to Detail, out.